in this session, the discussion is on maximum power transfer theorem. In short, it is called MPTT, means maximum power transfer theorem. इसका मतलब ये है कि मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफ़र कैसे होगा, तो इसके बारे में जो है ये चीज़ किसी भी सर्किट में, किसी भी इलेक्ट्रिकल नेटवर्क और सर्किट में, हाउ द मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफ़र इज़ देयर फ्रॉम सोर्स टू लोड, फ्रॉम जनरेशन पॉइंट टू फाइनल कंजम्पशन पॉइंट, तो ये चीज़ जो बताती है वो है मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफ़र थ्योरम. दिस थ्योरम बिलोंग्स टू नेटवर्क थ्योरम्स. It means that any electrical network circuit, that is what? That is having one more theorem, a theorem which is called maximum power transfer theorem. What is this? This is an electrical circuit. ये एक electrical circuit है. कैसा electrical circuit है? ये एक pure resistive circuit है. This is a pure resistive circuit. This is purely resistive circuit. So this is what purely resistive circuit. प्योरली रेजिस्टिव इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट. तो इस प्योरली रेजिस्टिव इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट में क्या है? एक वोल्टेज सोर्स है, दैट इज VTH, एंड अ रेजिस्टिव लोड which is RTH, called to be as Thevenin's resistance, and a resistance which is RL, called load resistance, and this is a purely resistive electrical network or circuit. A difference between a network and circuit is what? An electrical circuit is having a closed path. This is having a closed path. It means that this is an electrical purely resistive circuit. ये एक electrical purely सारे के सारे resistance से मिलकर के सर्किट बना है, इसीलिए इसे कहते हैं purely resistive circuit, जिसमें RTH के सीरीज, VTH के सीरीज में RTH है, RTH के सीरीज में RL है. सभी रेजिस्टेंस यानी सभी जो इलेक्ट्रिकल एलिमेंट्स हैं, चाहे वो VTH यानी थेवेनिन वोल्टेज हो, थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस RTH हो या RL हो, सभी सीरीज में. सो वी आर लुकिंग एट दिस रेजिस्टेंस in which we are looking at what? This electrical circuit in which this maximum power transfer holds. What is now the statement of the maximum power transfer theorem? क्या है statement maximum power transfer theorem का? That the maximum power will be transferred, the maximum power will flow from source to load, from source to load, maximum power will transfer from source to load when the condition this holds, means RTH is equal to RL. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस लोड रेजिस्टेंस के बराबर बन जाएगा, ऐसे समय में अधिक से अधिक पावर जो है, मैक्सिमम सबसे ज़्यादा पावर इस सोर्स पॉइंट से, जनरेशन पॉइंट से फाइनल कंजम्पशन पॉइंट यानी लोड पॉइंट तक पहुंचेगी. नाउ व्हाट इज लोड? लोड वो होता है, लोड ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कि कंज्यूम करें इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर को या एनर्जी को कंज्यूम करें, विच कंज्यूम्स एनर्जी विच इज कॉल्ड टू बी एज व्हाट? लोड, और विच कंज्यूम्स व्हाट? पावर विच इज कॉल्ड टू बी एज लोड. So here the load is resistive, purely load resistive load. So it means that power will transfer from maximum power will transfer from source to load when the condition holds RTH is equal to RL, where RTH is equal to Thevenin resistance and RL is equal to load resistance and VTH is equal to Thevenin voltage, which is also called VOC, which is called open circuit voltage. This is called open circuit voltage. So finally, if we will conclude the statement or the condition of maximum power theorem for the purely resistive circuit, we come to the conclusion, or we come to the statement that maximum power transfer theorem opines for the purely resistive circuit in which VTH is in series with RTH is in series with RL, the same current will flow in all the elements. Here three elements are there, VTH as well as RTH and RL, and this is a series purely resistive circuit, series equivalent purely resistive circuit in which the maximum power will flow from source to load when the condition RTH is equal to RL will hold, and VTH, which is also called VOC, open circuit voltage, and VTH is also called to be as Thevenin voltage. This is the statement, or this is the basic fundamental and the basic main gist of the maximum power transfer theorem. मतलब मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफर तब होगा सोर्स यानी जनरेशन जहां पावर पैदा हो रहा है वहां से लोड की ओर किसी भी सर्किट रेजिस्टिव सर्किट में जब RTH को RL के बराबर होना पड़ेगा. So we will continue more with network theorems, and this is all for what maximum power transfer theorems, mainly statement for the purely resistive circuit.